tonight. We've got 2 porterhouses. We're going to cook one on the cast iron and one on the grill. Which one do you think is going to taste better? Now I'm going to cut the filet off of the porterhouse that was grilled.
Get used to mine. You take a bite out. We're just gonna get a bite now.
That char grilled fat is unmatched.
Mine's better.
You think?
Way better.
I think mine's better because it
The
has
rosemary is
the rosemary.
not where it's at, and the meat is just better.
Okay. Some of the filet cast iron.
I don't really like my steak cut. I like to bite it.
I don't know. That rosemary really,
Cooked it good. Got a nice,
yeah,
nice cook thing.
good, right? I like the rosemary. Now I see what the wheat. This is the grilled filet.
Royal oak, wood grilled. That's it. I can tell right now it's by the grain. It's gonna be perfect.